So, Mr. Bob, I think today we should explain all that we've done inside of the engine compartment so far.
I think that's great because we're at a point where, we didn't necessarily expect to take the engine out, but it's great because we're rebuilding it. Everything's going to be perfect. So we're going to go down. I want to show everything in the engine compartment that we've cleaned and the parts that are available from Caddy Daddy. In the fender well here, we have the STV, which is the suction throttling valve. We do have this available from Caddy Daddy. We also have rebuild kits for it. And so this right here works with the air conditioning system. And right behind it, you'll see that we have rebuilt the antenna motor in there. And we have rebuilt antenna units. It's an interesting thing because it's all really hidden right in there. And that comes around here, then you're going to have a ducting. We have the ducting removed right now. We also have, through here, this is the little piece that goes through from the firewall, and we have brand new vacuum lines that come through. And with these lines, they are color-coded, which will match the factory lines that are already in there. You can see and make sure that they match. And we have our vacuum actuator, and then this housing, and this is one that we restored. It's interesting, we took it apart. Boy, it was full of some yuck. And that might happen with you if it's been in the barn, if it's been outside. So we went and cleaned it out, and inside we've got the blower motor. So then we'll have a nice setup so that we can go ahead and get some nice fresh air going through here. And so we have the master switch here, which is available. And we have these right here. These are the resistors. The lower one here, they are tested. They are available from us. But I want you to be careful because the upper one, these things are hard to come by. So if you're dealing with a 64, make sure that this doesn't get damaged when you take it apart. That is one of those parts that you really want to make sure to hold on to.
On the driver's side, I'm going to point them out to you. We've replaced the power steering box, and we've replaced the high pressure line as well as the low pressure line. We've put a brand new master cylinder onto the brake system because the booster still works. We also do have available complete updated booster master cylinders. And if you take a look right here, this is how our cruise control unit came. Our cruise control was never hooked up. It should not be this color. So as we go through the restoration, we'll put the correct decal on it. We'll be restoring the cruise control, and we'll show you what we found and talk about it a little bit as we go on that adventure. But Mr. Bob, can you come over here for a sec?
What you got going on, John?
You know, when you're driving around and you've got this little annoying squeak and you wonder, where the heck did it come from? I found one. Do you think that's annoying? Well,
let me tell you, Chief. Let me put that on the list.
At Caddy Daddy Presents, it's all about giving back. Please enjoy the video of the Boys and Girls Clubs of St. Helena and Calistoga. donate by clicking the link in the video description.